everyone, how's it going? I'm Steph. Welcome to my channel, The Secret Slob. Every year, I like to go through my entire house, like everything, and go through all my stuff and decide really what deserves to live here and what doesn't. I am so excited for this. This year I have the added challenge of living in a new house, and a lot of things haven't found a home yet. So I'll be trying to find homes for things, getting organized, and overall just decluttering and saying goodbye to some of those things that don't need to be here. The challenge works like this. We are going to go slow and do one small project every single day. You don't have to have tons of time to dedicate to this, just 5 or 10 or 15 minutes working in that area. You'll see tons of progress. I hope you'll join me for this challenge. I'm gonna post a new video every single day, and we have a brand new tracking sheet that you can follow along with. It's totally free. I'll put the link below. I'm so excited for this challenge for me and my house, and for you and your house. I know we're gonna see tons of progress and have a little bit of fun.